Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will continue the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketone. Last video dali addition of HCN to aldehyde and ketone is over, and addition of sodium bisulfite to aldehydes and ketone is over, and the third chemical properties of aldehydes and ketone is addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde or ketone. What happens? Let us see what happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with the Grignard reagent. Usually, aldehydes and ketones containing common group, that is C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with the Grignard reagent, what is meant by Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide in presence of ether. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with Grignard reagent in presence of ethers, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. We know that carbonyl group is polar in nature due to the greater electronegative difference between carbon and oxygen. Here oxygen is more electronegative, hence oxygen acquire partial negative sign, and carbon is less electronegative, hence it acquire partial positive sign. Here in Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium bond is also polar. Magnesium is a metal which is more electropositive, hence it releases the electron. As a result, alkyl group will acquire partial negative sign, magnesium will acquire partial positive sign. Alkyl group acquire partial negative and magnesium acquire partial positive sign. Because magnesium is more electropositive, it releases the electron towards alkyl group. As a result, around alkyl group electron density increases, hence indicated by partial negative sign. Magnesium acquire partial positive sign. Here the nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. Here alkyl group containing partial negative sign, hence it acts as a nucleophilic center. This alkyl group immediately attack towards electron deficient carbonyl carbon. Immediately this pi bond is shifted towards oxygen to form one intermediate state. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನೀಗ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ electron deficient carbon, or C carbon oxygen double bond is converted into single bond. Oxygen acquires minus sign. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ವಿಲ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ X to form an intermediate compound, that is MgX. The obtained intermediate compound on further acid hydrolysis ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. H ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಡೆ, OH ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ obtained is alcohol. The product obtained is alcohol along with the hydroxy magnesium halide. Along with the hydroxy magnesium halide. This is alcohol. This is alcohol. What happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with Grignard reagent in presence of ether? Finally, we will get alcohol. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with Grignard reagent in presence of ether, followed by acid hydrolysis, give alcohol. Let us take some examples. Okay. I will take formaldehyde first. Formaldehyde. What is the formula for formaldehyde? HCHO, formaldehyde. What happens when formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent? I will take one example for Grignard reagent, that is a CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide in presence of ether. Grignard reagent ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಾವು ether ನ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What happens when formaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent? Methyl group acquire partial negative sign, immediately attack towards electron deficient carbon. Then the product obtained is CH3. That CH3 is directly attacked towards CH2 carbon. This carbon already containing 2 hydrogen, CH2, okay, single bond. Carbon oxygen double bond is converted into single bond. Oxygen acquires negative sign, immediately MgBr will attack towards oxygen. This is an intermediate compound, MgBr. the obtained intermediate product on further acid hydrolysis. Further acid hydrolysis. What happens? Oxygen magnesium bond will split. H2O ದಲ್ಲಿ H ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಡೆ OH ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ the product obtained is CH3 CH2OH. CH3 CH2OH. This is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Ethanol, OL, ethanol. Along with the one of the byproduct is hydroxy magnesium bromide. See, when formaldehyde is treated with any Grignard reagent in presence of ether followed by acid hydrolysis, we'll get ethyl alcohol. This is primary alcohol. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol is an example for primary alcohol. Let us see, instead of formaldehyde, suppose if we take acetaldehyde as an example. Formaldehyde na Grignard reagent jothe reaction madidre we will get primary alcohol. Suppose acetaldehyde. What is the formula for acetaldehyde? Just ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Acetaldehyde formula CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. What happens when acetaldehyde CH3CHO is treated with the Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium bromide? Same CH3 aqueous partial negative sign, hence it will act as a nucleophilic center. This group immediately attack towards a electron deficient carbon. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ CH3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2 ಬದಲು CH ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. CH3 already this compound this group containing CH group, compound containing CH group. This carbon CH carbon is electron deficient. This CH carbon is directly attack the nucleophilic center, nucleophile, that is CH3 minus. CH3 minus direct ಆಗಿ electron deficient carbon ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. CH carbon ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ CH3 already ಇದೆ. This is the CH3. Again this is CH. This CH carbon is directly attacked towards attacked by methyl group, that is CH3 carbon oxygen single bond OMGBr. Then followed by acid hydrolysis. What happens? What is the expected product? Again after acid hydrolysis, oxygen magnesium bond break ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. H oxygen ಕಡೆ OH magnesium ಕಡೆ. The product obtained is CH3 CH3OH. This is isopropyl alcohol or propane to all. Propane to all or isopropyl alcohol. It is an example for secondary alcohol. Clear? Alcohols ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you take formaldehyde, when formaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis, form primary alcohol. When acetaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis, gives secondary alcohol. Suppose if we take acetone as an example, acetone ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Suppose when acetone is a ketone, acetone is treated with the Grignard reagent, what happens? This CH3 is directly attached to carbonyl carbon. CH3 already ನೋಡಿ CH3 ಎರಡಿದೆ, 2 CH3 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು CH3 ಬಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Again carbon oxygen double bond is converted into single bond OMGBr. Again after hydrolysis ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ the product obtained is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. CH3 electron deficient carbon ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. This carbon already containing CH3. In addition to that, one more methyl group adds to this carbon. Hence, the carbonyl carbon containing 3 methyl groups like this, along with oxygen followed by MgBr. Further, after acid hydrolysis, gives tertiary alcohol. This is an example for tertiary alcohol. This is very very important. Objectives ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Any aldehydes or ketones reacts with Grignard reagent forms alcohol. Alcohols ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 types of alcohols ಇದೆ. Primary, secondary, tertiary. In order to get primary alcohol, the carbonyl group must be formaldehyde. Secondary alcohols ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ acetaldehyde. ನಿಮಗೆ tertiary alcohols ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ acetone ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು Grignard reagent ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This is about addition of Grignard reagent. Next one, fourth one, addition of alcohol. One more chemical property, addition of alcohols. Addition of alcohols. ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ what happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with alcohols. Reaction ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Aldehydes are represented by the general formula RCHO. This is the general formula for aldehyde. When aldehyde is treated with or reacts with alcohols are represented by the general formula ROH in presence of dry HCl. ಡ್ರೈ HCl ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫಿಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರೈ HCl ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ H+ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫಿಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೈ HCl ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫಿಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ carbon acquire partial positive sign, oxygen acquire partial negative sign. Here in this alcohol, OH bond is polar, not RO bond. OH bond is polar compared to oxygen and hydrogen, which is more electronegative. Oxygen, hence oxygen will acquire partial negative sign, hydrogen will acquire partial positive sign. Hence RO minus is the nucleophilic center. RO minus ಏನಿದೆ, that will act as a nucleophilic center. That nucleophile readily attacks the electron deficient center. Immediately pi bond shifted towards oxygen. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, O ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, H+ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. The intermediate product obtained is RCHO. Here OR along with the OH. This is the intermediate compound. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. RCH ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ RO ಮೈನಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ OR ಮೈನಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, OR ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. OH ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ acts as a nucleophilic center. This oxygen along with alkyl group adds to this carbon. Immediately ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ H+ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಡೆ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿ O combines with OH ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This OR is directly attached towards carbonyl carbon. The intermediate compound obtained, that is alkoxy alcohol. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ alkoxy ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. OR is nothing but alkoxy. The alkoxy alcohol compound is known as a hemiacetal. The name of this compound is hemiacetal. What is hemiacetal? Alkoxy alcohol compound is known as hemiacetal. When this hemiacetal will further reacts with alcohol, one more alcohol, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು more alcohol ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. The obtained hemiacetal will react with one more molecule of alcohol. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ H, ಈ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ OH ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ RCHO. OH ವಾಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, R ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ. And here already alkoxy group is there. What is eliminating here? H2O is eliminating. The product obtained is called acetal. What are acetal? The jum dialkoxy compound is known as acetal. Jum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಜಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಕಾಕ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಆಲ್ಕಾಕ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. This is one alkoxy, this is another alkoxy. The two alkoxy groups are attached to same carbon atom, hence it is called jum alkoxy compound. The jum alkoxy compounds are known as acetal. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the jum dialkoxy compounds are known as acetal. When aldehydes are treated with or aldehydes are reacts with the monohydric alcohol, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ monohydric alcohol ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಮಿಯಾಸಿಟಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಮಿಯಾಸಿಟಾಲ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ನ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ketones reacts with the dihydric alcohols, that is ethylene glycol. what nodana. What happens when ketone? Okay, I will take ketone as the general formula for ketone is RCOR. This is ketone. Usually, ketones reacts with dihydric alcohol. For example, ethylene glycol. Dihydric alcohol ge example bandu ethylene glycol. CH2OH. CH2OH. Ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. In presence of dry HCl. In presence of dry HCl. Yenagatte when ketones reacts with dihydric alcohol such as ethylene glycol in presence of dry HCl, there is a elimination of water molecule. Yenagatte complete agi water molecule elimination agutte. Oxygen atom is from ketone and 2 hydrogen atom from alcohol. Water elimination agi to form R C R double bond ಈ ತರ split ಆಗುತ್ತೆ OCH2 again OCH2. This is what we call ethylene glycol ketol. Ethylene glycol ketol. Ethylene glycol ketol. What is eliminating here? H2. One molecule of H2O is eliminating. When ketones reacts with ethylene glycol or dihydric alcohol in presence of dry HCl, there is an elimination of water molecule in between alcohol and ketone, result in the formation of ethylene glycol ketol. Just ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಂಡು ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್ OCH2 OCH2. Here RC double bond R. The double bond is splitted like this. One bond is shifted towards or attacked towards oxygen and another bond is linked to oxygen. Hence, when aldehydes reacts with alcohol to form hemiacetal, which is further reacts with one more molecule of alcohol to form acetal, whereas ketones reacts with a dihydroxy alcohol in presence of dry HCl to form ethylene glycol ketol. Okay. Next chemical property, that is addition of ammonia and its derivatives. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives. Its derivatives. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives. This is very, very important. Okay, what happens? Let us see what happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia or its derivative. Here first ammonia na tagon. Usually aldehydes or ketones already containing C double bond group. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia, what is the formula for ammonia? NH3. I will write NH3 in this way. NH3 na nani ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. There is a elimination of water molecule. There is a elimination of water molecule. Result in the formation of C double bond NH along with H2O. This is what we call imine. This is imine. Clear? See, in this chemical property, addition of ammonia and its derivative to any aldehydes or ketone, remember there is a elimination of water molecule. ಈ reactions ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ aldehyde ಮತ್ತೆ ketone ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಮೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಮೈನ್. ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ an example, formaldehyde. What is the formula for formaldehyde? HCHO. When formaldehyde reacts with ammonia to form formaldehyde imine. Formaldehyde imine. ಅದೇ ತರ ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಇಮೈನ್. ಅದೇ ತರ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಇಮೈನ್. ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ CH3COCH3. What happens when acetone reacts with ammonia to form acetone imine? Imine ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಬೋತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ containing CH3 group. CH3CCH3 double bond NH. This is what we call imine. Remember, when any aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia and its derivatives, there is a elimination of water molecule takes place, result in the formation of in the case of amine, the product obtained is imine. Carbon double bond NH idre adu imine. Iga this is reaction with ammonia. Next reaction with substituted ammonia. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with substituted ammonia ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್. ಅಮೋನಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 3 hydrogens ಅಲ್ಲಿ one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl group is called primary amine. Primary amines are represented by the general formula RNH2. Secondary amines are getting by replacing 2 hydrogen atoms of ammonia by 2 alkyl group. Tertiary amines are obtained by replacing 3 hydrogen atoms of ammonia by 3 alkyl group. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is primary amine. This is aldehyde or ketone. What happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with the primary amine? There is a elimination of, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದಂತೂ ಕಾಮನ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ there is a elimination of water molecule. ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬೊನಿಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then what is the product form? Formation of C double bond, ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ along with double bond NR. This is ಅಂದ್ರೆ along with H2O. This is what we call substituted imine. It is also called as Skipp's base. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Substituted imine are also called as substituted imine. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, when aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia to form imine, when aldehydes or ketones reacts with substituted ammonia or primary amine to form substituted imine or Skipp's base. Example ತಗೋಣ, acetaldehyde. What is the formula for acetaldehyde? CH3CHO. When acetaldehyde is treated with the methyl amine, here R is replaced by methyl amine. This is primary amine. There is the elimination of water molecule to form CH3CH double bond N CH3. This is substituted imine. It is also called as Skipp's base. Similarly, even acetone ತಗೋಬಹುದು. CH3CO is treated with methyl amine. There is an elimination of water molecule, result in the formation of substituted imine, or it is also called as Skipp's base. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ 4 ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವೆ ವಿತ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ NH2OH. What happens? Hydroxylamine is an example, is a derivative of ammonia derivative. ಇದು ಕೂಡ when aldehydes or ketones reacts with hydroxylamine, just ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, in every this chemical reaction there is elimination of water molecule elimination ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ atom is from carbonyl group, hydrogen atom is from ammonia derivative. NH2OH ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, NH2OH. What happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with hydroxylamine? There is elimination of water molecule to form C double bond NOH. Along with the elimination of water molecule, this is what we called oxime. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, when aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia to form imine, aldehydes or ketones reacts with primary amine to form substituted imine or Skipp's base. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with hydroxylamine to form oximes formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. C double bond NH ಇದ್ರೆ imine, C double bond NR ಇದ್ರೆ substituted imine, C double bond NOH ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ oxime ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. For example, formaldehyde. What is the name of this compound? Formaldehyde. When formaldehyde is treated with hydroxylamine to form ಏನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. HCH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ NOH ಬಂದಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಾಕ್ಸೈನ್. This is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. When formaldehyde is treated with hydroxylamine to form formaldehyde. These reactions are called it as condensation reaction. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ there is elimination of simpler molecule like water. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಗ ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಣ. ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್? CH3CHO. When acetaldehyde is treated with hydroxylamine to form CH3 ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ, CH3CH ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ, just there is a elimination of water molecule, C double bond NOH ಬಂದಿದೆ. The obtained oxime is called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Oxime is a word common. When any aldehydes or ketones reacts with the hydroxylamine to form oxime. Clear? Formaldehyde ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಾಕ್ಸೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಾಕ್ಸೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ವೆನ್ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ CH3COCH3. ವೆನ್ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಲಮೈನ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಮ್. ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಮ್. ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಾಕ್ಸೈಮು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಜೀನ್. ಹೈಡ್ರಜೀನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ NH2NH2. What happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with the hydrazine? Okay, ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, aldehydes and ketones containing similar C double bond O group. Hydrazine formula NH2NH2. We know that these reactions are condensation reaction. When any aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia derivatives, there is a elimination of water molecule. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ NH2NH2 ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್, there is a elimination of water molecule, hydrogen with oxygen. The product obtained is C double bond NH2 along with H2O. This is what we called hydrazone. This compound is called hydrazine. Here, when any aldehydes or ketones reacts with hydrazine, it converted into hydrazone. C double bond NH2 is known as hydrazone. When any aldehydes or ketone, for example, I will take formaldehyde. Let us see what happens when formaldehyde reacts with hydrazine. When formaldehyde reacts with hydrazine to form formaldehyde hydrazone. Clear? Along with the elimination of water. When acetaldehyde, what is the formula for acetaldehyde? CH3CHO. When acetaldehyde is treated with hydrazine to form acetaldehyde hydrazone. When benzaldehyde is treated with hydrazine to form benzaldehyde hydrazone. When acetone, what is the formula for acetone? CH3COCH3. When acetone is treated with hydrazine to form acetone hydrazone. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? When any aldehydes or ketones reacts with hydrazine, there is an elimination of water molecule, result in the formation of hydrazone. Hydrazine is converted into hydrazone. Ammonia is converted into imine. Primary amine is converted into substituted imine or skip space. Hydrazine is converted into hydrazone. Hydroxylamine is converted into oxime. Okay, next, reaction with the phenylhydrazine. Next one, reaction with the phenylhydrazine. What is the formula for phenylhydrazine? What is the formula? NH2NH2 is hydrazine. If one of the hydrogen atom in hydrazine is replaced by C6H5, is called phenylhydrazine. Let us see what happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with phenylhydrazine. Usually aldehydes and ketones containing C double bond O group reacts with the phenyl hydrazine. Just ನೋಡಿ NH2 ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ H2 ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ in order to eliminate water easily. NH2 NH C6H5. See, this is aldehydes and ketone. This is phenyl hydrazine. What happens? Same. There is elimination of water molecule. Result in the formation of C double bond N NH C6H5 along with H2O. This is what is the name of this compound? Phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. What happens when aldehydes or ketones react with phenyl hydrazine? It converted to phenyl hydrazone. The name of this compound is phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೈಡ್ರಜೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ NH2 NH2. Phenyl hydrazine ಅಂದ್ರೆ one of the hydrogen atom in phenyl hydrazine is replaced by C6H5, phenyl hydrazine. When any aldehydes or ketones reacts with phenyl hydrazine to form phenyl hydrazone. For example, formaldehyde. What happens when formaldehyde reacts with phenyl hydrazine to form formaldehyde phenyl hydrazone? Name ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಫಿನೈಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ CH3CHO. What happens when acetaldehyde is treated with the phenyl hydrazine to form acetaldehyde phenyl hydrazone? Acetone ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ when acetone is treated with the phenyl hydrazine to form acetone phenyl hydrazone. Okay, next reaction with the 2,4-DNPH. This is reaction with the 2,4-DNPH. What is the 2,4-DNPH? 2,4-DNPH. 2,4-DNPH. See, this is NH2. NH2 is hydrazine. If one of the hydrogen atom in hydrazine is replaced by phenyl group, this is a phenyl hydrazine. In this phenyl hydrazine, this is the benzene ring. This is first position. This is second position. Third, fourth position. Second ಮತ್ತೆ fourth position ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ನೈಟ್ರೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, here NO2, here NO2. Here NH2 NH C6H5 is phenyl hydrazine. In phenyl hydrazine, second and fourth position occupies nitro group. This reagent is called 2,4-DNPH. What is the 2,4-DNPH? 2,4, D represent di, N represent nitro. 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine. What is the 2,4-DNPH? 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine. Same reaction illi kuda. What happens when aldehydes or ketones reacts with 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 2,4-DNP ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. 2,4-DNPH. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine, again same. There is elimination of water molecule and result in the formation of 2,4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ NO2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazone. Orange crystalline precipitate of 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazone ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is the common test for aldehydes and ketone. Usually ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ aldehydes ಮತ್ತೆ ketones ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು 2,4-DNP ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ aldehydes ಅಥವಾ ketone ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 2,4-DNP ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲೈನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazone. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. when formaldehyde is treated with the 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine to form formaldehyde 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine. When acetaldehyde is treated with the 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine to form acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrazine along with the elimination of water molecule. And the last one is addition of reaction of aldehyde and ketone with the semicarbazide. Semicarbazide. What is the formula? ಹೈಡ್ರಜಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ NH2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ CONH2. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೆಮಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಜೈಡ್. ಸೆಮಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಜೈಡ್. when aldehydes or ketones reacts with the semi-carbazide ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. when aldehydes or ketones containing C double bond O group reacts with the semi-carbazide, that is NH2 NHCO NH2, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Same. There is an elimination of water molecule. There is an elimination of water molecule when aldehydes or ketones reacts with the semi-carbazide. Semi-carbazide, it converted into semi-carbazone. N single bond NHCO NH2 along with the H2O. What is the name of this compound? Semi-carbazone. Semi-carbazone. ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈಸಿ. When any aldehydes or ketones reacts with the semi-carbazide, it undergo elimination of water to form semi-carbazone. Suppose formaldehyde ತಗೊಂಡು, when formaldehyde is treated with semi-carbazide to form formaldehyde semi-carbazone. When acetaldehyde is treated with the semi-carbazide to form acetaldehyde semi-carbazone. Acetone ತಗೋಣ, when acetone is treated with semi-carbazide to form acetone semi-carbazone. Every reaction is same. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ. ಏನ್ ಬಂತ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್? when aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia to form C double bond NH. This is imine. This is what we call imine. This is imine. ಇದೊಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. along with the elimination of water molecule, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. when any aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia to form imine. when any aldehydes or ketones reacts with the primary amine to form C double bond NR along with H2O. This is what we call substituted imine. Substituted imine. Next, when aldehydes or ketones reacts with the hydroxyl amine. Aldehydes or ketones reacts with the hydroxyl amine to form ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ H2O ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ NOH ಇರುತ್ತೆ along with H2O. This is what we call oxime. This is oxime. Clear? When one more hydrazine. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with the hydrazine, that is NH2 NH2. ಏನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? H2 with oxygen. ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ C double bond NH2 NH2 plus H2O. This is what we call hydrazone. This is hydrazone. Clear? When aldehydes or ketones reacts with ammonia to form imine. Aldehydes ketones reacts with primary amine to form substituted imine. Also call it as Gibbs base. Aldehydes or ketones reacts with hydroxyl amine to form oxime. Aldehydes or ketones reacts with hydrazine to form hydrazone. Next. Aldehydes or ketones reacts with the phenyl hydrazine. What is the formula for phenyl hydrazine? NH2 NHC6H5. What happens when aldehydes or ketones react with phenyl hydrazine? To form phenyl hydrazone with the elimination of water molecule NHC6H5 plus H2O, common water molecule elimination ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with the phenyl hydrazine to form phenyl hydrazone. Similarly, when aldehydes or ketones reacts with the 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು NO2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. again H2O elimination ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is 2,4-DNPH, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, and it converted into 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. Here one NO2, here one NO2. This is 2,4-dinitro, sorry, this is phenylhydrazone. This is phenylhydrazone. This is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. And the last one is reaction with the semicarbazide. Semicarbazide formula NH2 NHCO NH2. Semicarbazide. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? There is elimination of water molecule along with the formation of C double bond N NHCO NH2. This is semicarbazone. Semicarbazone. Here semicarbazide is converted into semicarbazone. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine is converted into 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. Phenylhydrazine is converted into phenylhydrazone. Hydroxylamine is converted into oxime. Hydrazine is converted into hydrazone. Ammonia is converted into imine. Substituted ammonia or primary amine is converted into substituted imine.